Hey y'all, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie and I would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button and stick around for a little while. Today I want to show you how I made this adorable bunny bottom hanging decor. For this project, I used a round splatter screen from Dollar Tree, 2 packs of the Auto Microfiber Spa Towels from Dollar General, a cute bunny tail clip from Dollar Tree, bunny ear headband from Hobby Lobby, a spare piece of cardboard, an upholstery needle, a pencil, an X-Acto knife, some brown paper wrapped floral wire from Dollar Tree, and some twine from the Dollar Tree. To start off, I removed the knob from the splatter screen. I just used my screwdriver and unscrewed it. It's very easy and very quick. Then I'm going to take one of the microfiber cloths and lay it out and decide what side I wanted to use. I chose to use the fuzzy side on the outside. Now I'm going to take my headband and apply it to the top of the splatter screen. I did this using hot glue. Once I had the headband glued onto the top of the splatter screen, I just took some hot glue and reinforced the sides. Once the hot glue had completely set up around the ears, I then took the microfiber cloth and began to cover the bunny. I started by marking out around each ear and then cutting the cloth to fit nice and snug around the ears. Once I was happy with the fit around the ears, I flipped it over and began hot gluing the cloth around the edges. I made sure to pull the cloth tight so that the front would be completely covered and smooth. Once the glue had dried, I went back and cut the excess cloth off the back. To make the feet for the bunny, I took my cardboard and a pencil and I free-handed the shape I wanted for the foot. I then used my X-Acto knife to cut it out and then trimmed it up with a pair of scissors. Once I had the foot shape cut the way I wanted it, I then just flipped it over so it would be a mirror image of itself and traced it out on the other side of the cardboard. I then just simply cut it out. Now that both feet were cut out, I took another of the microfiber cloths and laid it out, again with the furry side out. I then just simply hot glued it all the way around the feet. Once I had the little foot covered, I then took my scissors and cut it out. I made sure that I didn't cut too close to the glue seam so it wouldn't come unraveled. I repeated this process for both feet. I wanted the feet to actually look like little bunny feet, so I took an upholstery needle and some brown paper covered wire and created some toes. This was super easy. I just threaded the wire through the needle and pushed the needle through the cardboard. Once I had the wire where I wanted it, I twisted it over to the back super tight to give the little indentions. I gave each feet 3 little toes. I didn't do any measuring, I just eyeballed it to where I thought it would look good. I think these little feet turned out super cute. Now it's time to cover the ears. I made sure that the towel was super tight around the bottom of the ears, then I just hot glued a piece onto the ear. I made sure it was a little extra big so that when I flipped it over I could hot glue it to the inside of the ear. Be very careful, I ended up with some hot glue burns on this and those are no fun. I just repeated this process to cover the other ear. Once I have everything covered, I'm then going to take the little tail and remove the tag and the little clip that's on it. Now I'm going to take the little feet and put them where I think they need to go. Make sure you get them on the right side where they belong so they don't look wonky like mine did. And then I'm just going to place the little tail and then move them around until I'm happy with it. Once I'm happy with the placement, I then take my hot glue and glue everything into place. To make my bow, I took some twine from the Dollar Tree and one of these stand-up signs that I also got at the Dollar Tree. I wrapped my twine around the sign about 15 times. Once I had the bow removed from the block, I just took a piece of twine and tied it into the middle to give me that bow shape. Now that I have my bow made, I'm just going to take it and hot glue it onto this clip that I got off the back of the bunny tail. Now I'm simply going to clip it on the ear and fluff out the bow. Once the bow was on, I kind of felt like the bunny was missing something. So I decided to take these purple flowers that I got at the Dollar Tree and put one in the center of the bow. I think this gives it the pop of color it was missing. To make the hanger, I'm going to take some of my twine and tie a knot in it to give it a loop. I'm then going to take it and I'm going to hot glue it to the back of the bunny. I'm super happy with the way this little bunny turned out, and it was super quick and easy and affordable to make. If you like this project and want to see more like it, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button and stick around for a little while. I have a lot more ideas on the way. I'll see you next time.